Michelle from Noble Touch, and today I'm just going to show you again. I did this a few years ago, but it's an eyeball that you can make for the center of your wreath for like Halloween. So you know those flowers that you see in the store that will have the eyeball in the middle. I thought, how cute is that? So I did it, I think back in 2018, a video, but the camera angle wasn't as good. So I'm going to just do a quick video for you. And what we're going to need is some googly eyes, the big ones like this. And then I've used glow-in-the-dark paint. You don't have to. You can just paint it white if you wanted to, or whatever other color you would like to paint on this. But I thought the glow-in-the-dark would be kind of cool. So I just bought some of this neutral glow-in-the-dark paint. It's already painted and dried. I have some Lomey gems, or Diamante pins is what they call it. You can get these like decorative pins. Just look online. And then what you're going to do is cut open one of the googly eyes, because I just want this right here in the center. So you're just going to kind of push it in the center here. And then you're going to take it kind of leaves a line for you. And then you're going to take your hot glue and just put a spot there so you can glue the center in. And this is so simple, but it leaves such a cute look that you can use this for. And then I'm going to use green. You can use red. I've used red. I think I used red on the last one. And what you're going to do is just go around the edge of the pupil, basically, and put this in. And you're going to put this where the top of the, or the gem there on the pin holds, kind of just overlaps slightly, so it holds the pupil down, not just with the glue, but with your pen as well. And basically, you're just going to keep going around until you're done. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's going to be like white gaps in between. So what we're going to do with that is you're going to go back over and put another gem in between those white gaps. So it gives it a 3D look, or like a, dimensional look. Because if you actually look at the corner of the eye, if you actually look at the eye, it kind of has a cone shape to it. So this is kind of a cool effect you can do. And you just fill in between the other gems, and it'll give it a raised look. And I'll show you when we're done here, like the side. I'm going to come out more, of course, with my iris here. But at least get in between, and you can, build them up like that. So if you can see, it's starting to come out a little bit more. And then we're just going to keep going around. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, you can just leave it like this, or you know how the eyeball, of course, has like the veins coming up on the side. You can kind of just take some red and just do a few things coming up like this. Okay, so I just added a few veins around the eyes like that. And there you go. That's your spooky, scary eye that you can put in the middle of a flower wreath. So you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time.